just right. And the radio, seems to seen love in my woman's eyes. Feel the touch of my precious child. No mother's love. Well, I was raised up beneath the shade of a Georgia pine, and that's home, you know. The sweet tea, pecan pie, and homemade wine, where the peaches grow. In my house, it's not much to talk about, but it's filled with love and it's grown in southern ground. And a little bit of chicken pie, cold beer on Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio, I see love in a woman's eyes, feel the touch of my precious child, my mother's love. Funny how it's the simple things in life that means the most. Not where you live or what you drive or the price tag on your clothes. It's those dollar signs and a peace of mind, and this I've come to know. So if you agree, have a drink with me and raise your glasses for a toast to a little bit of chicken pie, a cold beer on Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio, sing sunrise. And the love in a woman's eyes, feel the touch of a precious child, and a mother's love. I thank God for my life, for the stars and stripes, may freedom forever fly. Let it ring, salute the ones who died, and the ones who gave their lives, so we don't have to sacrifice all the things we love. I got chicken pie, it'll be on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio, I see the sunrise, see the love in a woman's eyes, feel the touch of my precious child, no mother's love, no chicken pie, cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio, I see sunrise, see the love in a woman's eyes, the touch of my precious child, in a mother's love.